Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Flexing Joe with the third and final trade recap from Monday, December 4th, 2023. So, just want to start with Tesla on the 10-minute chart. I missed this awesome setup up here, this rejection over the 10-minute 200 EMA and also over the previous day close. So, we pushed through and couldn't get through the close and rejected just before the pre-market high. I was busy here, missed this trade. This is one of my optimal setups. However, I was able to catch an entry long down here. At the same time, I caught those long entries on NQNES. So before I get into the contract chart, I just want to show what it looked like on the 1 minute chart here. I caught it when we put in this bullish engulfing right there. I'm estimating on this candle where it was just because I know where it was on the options contract chart. And here's the 5 minute chart. So we put in this 5 minute hammer candle here on increased volume. And again, I had the same thesis with the market turning around based off of NQ, ES, VIX, and the DXY levels that I talked about in the first two videos. So I took this entry long here. I entered into the $240 calls for Friday's expiry, so expiring on December 8th, and I entered here at $2.70. My risk was 10%, so that would be down here at $2.43. As you can see, this trade never went red, which is fantastic. Some of the best trades work out instantly, and you're either only red for a few seconds or maybe a minute, and then you're just green from there. And this was one of those trades where it never even came close to coming back to that entry. Immediately after entering, though, I did set a scale for 1/4 of my position here. At $50 positive per con, right, which was the options contract orb low. I was hoping that it would roughly be the same level as the orb low here on the 1 and 5 minute chart on the underlying on Tesla itself, which it pretty much was. But I didn't pay that close attention to it because I just wanted to have this one hit and just deload some risk and lock in some profit, right, which would help me skew the risk reward better into my favor. Now, I took the second scale as we approached VWAP here, and if you notice on the options contract chart, right around the same time, you see this is 1132, right around here. This is 1130, 1131, 1132, right in the same level. Even though we have moved up more than about $1, geez, 234.73 to about 236. So we moved up about $1.25. These really didn't move up all that much. They only moved up about 20 or so dollars a piece. So I caught this scale at $3.44 versus the 320 scale. So not that great considering the move that Tesla had given me. I was a little disappointed with that, but again, I wanted to just lock some in. Then next, moving up, I was actually able to catch this scale right here around 392. So this is actually locking it over 120 per con. And that was, I'm going to go back to the 5 minute chart. So that was right around here as we were approaching that 5 minute 200. So again, I saw this as approach. I know that sometimes the 200 EMAs can act like a magnet, sometimes like VWAP does. And as we were pushing into it, I expected a little bit of resistance, and you can see we got that pullback. But I wanted to just take some more off and lock some more in. As I did discuss in the other two videos, I was entering a conference call at 12:30, and I wanted to make sure I had locked some in and set an appropriate stop down here near the VWAP area. So that way, if I was on the call and I was distracted, I wasn't going to give up the entire day's gains. And I did, hope that this was going to continue higher, but it didn't. So in regards to where I stopped out, if you look at the calls after I took that last scale out here and I set the stop at 350, I actually set it a little bit higher, and then with slippage I ended up getting out at like 350, which was above the second scale. This happened pretty much as that call was wrapping up, as well as I did discuss when ES and NQ were both pulling back here. So all in all, a very successful trade. I managed it as best as I could given the circumstances and taking this on my phone. But let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. And don't forget to subscribe for more trade recaps in the future. Appreciate it.